Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to turbocharge a Toyota Corolla. Many Corolla owners appreciate their vehicle's reliability and efficiency, but often wish for more spirited acceleration. Adding a turbocharger is a fantastic way to unlock substantial power, potentially doubling your engine's horsepower. This modification can transform your daily driver into a much more exciting machine, offering a thrilling boost in performance for those seeking an upgrade. To successfully turbocharge your Corolla, you will need several key components. A comprehensive turbo kit typically provides the turbocharger itself, a compatible exhaust manifold, and an intercooler to cool the compressed air. Upgrading to larger fuel injectors and installing an engine management unit are also critical for proper fuel delivery and engine control. Additionally, a wideband O2 sensor and a boost controller are highly recommended for accurate monitoring of your engine's performance. The installation process involves several detailed steps. You will start by removing the factory exhaust manifold and air intake. Next, install the new turbo manifold, the turbocharger, and the intercooler, often mounted behind the front bumper. Crucially, you must connect oil feed and return lines to lubricate the turbo and replace your stock fuel injectors with larger ones. Finally, accessing the engine control unit to integrate a fuel ignition controller is essential for managing the new setup. After installation, professional ECU tuning is absolutely vital to ensure your turbocharged Corolla runs safely and efficiently, maximizing power gains. For long-term reliability, use high-quality synthetic oil and adhere to frequent oil change intervals, typically every 5,000 miles. Always allow your engine to warm up before driving hard and cool down for a minute or two before shutting off. Regular inspections of your air filter, cooling system, and boost control components will also help maintain peak performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.